Alright folks, approaching on the westbound platform is the Red Line train to North Hollywood. Now approaching at Pershing Square Station. Now this is it, here she comes now. It's kind of windy over there. Let's see what it is. 5:39. Yep. Oh. Doors are closing. There she goes. 6:04. Nice. There she goes to North Hollywood. We'll continue on to 7th Street Metro Center, Westlake MacArthur Park, Wilshire, Vermont, Vermont Beverly, Vermont Santa Monica, Vermont Sunset, Hollywood Western, Hollywood Vine, Hollywood Highland, Universal City, and the final destination of this train is North Hollywood. That's it. Live in LA, folks. Thank you all for watching. I'm out. Till next time. See ya.